Hello, I'm Jake Bown, and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn a London landmark into a post-apocalyptic scene. Firstly, using the lasso tool, I cut around the photograph of the column itself. Using a cutting technique to remove the original background, I then placed it to look as if it was free-falling and broken and severed from the statue itself. Using an image from a broken column from Google Images, I cut out and colour corrected the rock and placed it on both ends of Nelson's column. Taking an image of rocks from Google Images, I cut out the background and made it look like falling debris. This involved cutting each set of rocks and also adding a dust cloud, which was also obtained online. I then went on to remove people from the foreground of the image, which involved mirroring certain objects including tiles and fountains. The next step was to make the fountain look murky and abandoned. I did this by making the water green and adding algae and other objects. Finally, I cut out the sky, making it dark and dismal. I added dark clouds and changed the sunlight hitting the buildings to match that of the gloomy sky. Adding a broken flagpole, it gave the impression of a stormy atmosphere. Finally, adding props such as zombies and a tank to add emphasis, and making minor changes to parts of the scene. You can find the original and edited images by visiting my website at jakebound.com. Thank you.